Welcome to Thailand, Bangkok. So, you're very used to me complaining about the cold in Ireland, but I tell you what, I love that cold right now. This heat is crazy. So I'm on my way to one of the temples, but I thought I'd record my adventures on trying to get there because I had to cross this road. But it looks like there's a sky bridge here, so it's not as adventurous as I thought it was going to be to try cross one of these roads. They're usually always fun, you know. And you know how cautious I am back in Ireland with crossing a road, so have a guess how fun this would be. So the temple I'm not sure, like my friend went there the other day. I had other plans that day, but it looked very interesting, and he'd done a boat tour as well, which I wanted to do in Bangkok, so hopefully we get these done today and I don't pass out from the heat. Keeping it real. So as a tourist, I reckon it's always best to just let the Thais go away with mopeds and stuff like that. Wait, hold on, sorry. There's a girl going up the stairs and I didn't want to make it look like an upskirt video. So I'm just going to give her a break to go up first. Yeah, I can look at some traffic there for a minute, you'll be fine. If you are ever here, it's the 40 bus that I got out here from Nana Plaza, and it's air conditioned, so yeah. It was grand actually, like it was 20 baht, which, I don't know, it's like 50 cents. And yeah. That stairs, that heat. And it's only 9 o'clock in the morning, people. I think I need to be on that side of the road anyway. So to save me crossing the road, down the road, I'll cross this road here. Right. So, as you can see, they take their wiring very seriously. Has to be in impeccable order. Oh, and yeah, you probably noticed I'm recording in HD. It's mainly because I'm traveling. And there you go, there's some cables for you. Welcome to Thailand. So the quality's probably not as good. It's just to save on space and get longer battery life. So, and my editing is going to be on my laptop as well, so it's going to be a bit different. I'm not going to have as much annotations because I'm using different software. Because the laptop I have can't handle the processing power, so even like the color coding might be a bit off. Right. Okay, shade isn't too bad. Remember to stay hydrated. Right, so it's actually going to be another 10-minute walk. I don't want to fill it all in. I'll probably pop it on if there's something interesting. Actually, you know, I'll work this one out. I'll do a 5-minute video. Ooh, nice fancy cars there. Fixer-uppers. And in case anyone's wondering, yes, I am loaded up with sunscreen. I already got sunburnt and I was only in the sun for 5 minutes total yesterday. But I was in the swimming pool, so. But I know the sun cream works because I had my hat off and I didn't get any sunburn on my head. I got it on my arms and muscles, so it's not too bad. So I was covered today with the t-shirt. So, yeah. Plan for today is, this will probably be a few videos. We'll see, I might make it one, so it might be a rough edit. Plan is to go to this temple, then there's a boat tour that I wanted to do. I really want to do a speedboat. I don't know if it's available in this area. And then if I'm not drained from the heat, I'm gonna head back down to, there was like a Chinatown here, which we don't have in Ireland, so it'd be interesting to go down there and check that out. We might get lunch there, and then try to get home for the afternoon before the afternoon bake comes in and get some edits done. I've done a few photo shoots, and if you want to go over and check out my tog_logbooks, I've already got one of the behind the scenes videos put up, and I do not trust that. So yeah, health and safety is very lackadaisy here in Thailand, so you might want to just always, have your wits on you as much as possible. There could be dangling cables or things you could just walk over that aren't set properly. But yeah, I think I'll make that 1 minute video there, and I'll shut it off here. And then my next video, I'm not sure when these will be uploaded because of editing times and upload times and all that. But the next video will be hopefully at the it's called Wat. It's like a temple. So hope you enjoy.